This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up, traffic, and business decisions. Hello, my name is Marcus Miller. Welcome to Day 9 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-Day Launch Sprint. Today we are going to talk about something every follow-up email needs: a clear call to action. A call to action is the part of your message that tells the reader what to do next. It may be, click this link, watch this video, create your account, log into your members area, set up your LeadsLeap username, read the next lesson, join the training. Whatever the next step is, your email should make it clear, because here is one of the biggest mistakes marketers make. They write an email, explain a good idea, and then leave the reader wondering what to do next. That creates confusion, and when people are confused, they usually do nothing. Your job is not to pressure people, your job is to guide them. A clear call to action helps your reader move forward one step at a time. Think about it like giving directions. If someone asks you how to get somewhere, you would not give them 10 different routes at once. You would give them the next clear step. Turn here, go straight, click this, start here. That is how your email should work. One message, one main idea, one clear next step. That is the foundation of a strong follow-up email. Now let's talk about what a weak call to action looks like. A weak call to action may say something like, check this out sometime and look around when you get a chance. Here are several links you may want to review. Maybe take a look if you are interested. Those are not strong. They are too passive. They do not tell the reader exactly what to do. A stronger call to action sounds like this: click here to watch today's training. Create your LeadsLeap account here. Log into TripleTron and complete today's step. Start by setting up your first follow-up message. Those are clear. They tell the reader what action to take. Now here is something very important. Do not overload your email with too many calls to action. If you give people too many choices, they may choose nothing. One link to watch a video, one link to join, one link to log in, one main next step. That is usually enough. Your email should not feel like a menu with 10 options. It should feel like a guided path. When someone reads your message, they should know exactly where to click and why. Let's use an example. If your email is about setting up a follow-up system, your call to action could be, click here to log into TripleTron and complete today's setup step. If your email is about creating a LeadsLeap account, your call to action could be, click here to create your LeadsLeap account and start building your follow-up system. If your email is about watching the next lesson, your call to action could be, watch day 9 of the training here. Notice something about those examples. They are simple. They are direct. They do not sound desperate. They just guide the reader. That is what you want. Now, your call to action should also match the purpose of the email. If the email is teaching them why follow-up matters, the next step should connect to follow-up. If the email is teaching them how to set up a tool, the next step should send them to that tool. If the email is introducing TripleTron, the next step should help them learn more or log in. Do not confuse the reader by teaching one thing and linking to something unrelated. Keep everything connected. Subject line, email message, call to action, all three should work together. Here is a simple email structure you can use. Start with a short greeting, mention one idea or problem, explain why it matters, give one clear next step, close with encouragement. For example, subject line, your next step is simple. Email, hi, if you want better results from your traffic, you need a follow-up system. Most people do not take action the first time they see an offer. That is why capturing leads and following up is so important. Today's step is simple. Click here to watch the next training and complete your follow-up setup. Place your link here. Take it one step at a time. Talk soon. Your name. That email does not try to do too much. It teaches one idea. It gives one action. It keeps the reader moving forward. That is the goal. Another thing you can do is make your call to action easy to see. Do not bury it inside a huge paragraph. Give it its own line. For example, click here to watch today's training. Place your link here. That makes it easier for the reader to notice. Remember, many people skim emails. They may not read every word, so your call to action should be easy to find. Now let's connect this to your LeadsLeap SendSteed campaign. By this point, you should have started building several follow-up messages. Today, your job is to review those messages and make sure each one has one clear call to action. Ask yourself, what do I want the reader to do next? Is that action clear? Is there only one main action? Does the link work? Does the call to action match the message? If the answer is yes, your email is much stronger. If the answer is no, clean it up. Remove extra links, make the next step clearer, and test the link before you save. Today's action step is simple. Open your LeadsLeap SendSteed follow-up messages. Choose one email. Find the call to action. Make sure it is clear, direct, and easy to understand. If the email has too many links, reduce it to one main link. If the next step is unclear, rewrite it. Then save your message and test the link. That is day 9 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you learned that every email should guide your reader toward one clear next step. Not 5 steps, not 10 links, one clear call to action. When your message is clear, your reader is more likely to move forward. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about keeping your follow-up simple so your prospects do not feel overwhelmed. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 10.